Hi Virgo, I'm Anisha. You can write to me at tarubyanisha@gmail.com, and this is your monthly forecast for August 2012. Virgos, we start this month with a beautiful Venus transit that's happening in your 11th house. Now, your 11th house is a house of friends. It describes our first experience in the playground where we first meet the world. This also speaks of collaborations. It speaks about getting together of like minded people. It speaks of organizations, networking, whether it is socially or it is at your workplace. It also speaks of clubs and associations, could be NGOs, could be maybe a sports association wherein that you are getting together with a couple of your friends or groups of people to start an activity. This particular house also brings us our allies, our friends, and like I said at the beginning, 11th house is all about lots of people. So you are going to be pulling in a lot of your friends to yourself, and it is also about the strength of a collective stand. It also speaks about how it is that a group of people or socially it is that we are viewed. Either we are in the circle or we are not in the circle. The 11th house also rules airplanes, it rules computers, it rules varicose veins, and it also covers humanitarian causes and unexpected gains. This is also a great time for healing, Virgos. I think for a lot of you who have been there in challenging relationships since about a quarter of a year now, and uh, like I said in my last month's video, while a lot of you could be sort of battling and thinking about creative ideas to bring forward solutions to old problems really, and this month you would want to bring things out in the open and address them, and I think it is a good time to be doing it. So for a lot of you who have been playing footsie with this particular aspect of their lives, they've been thinking that it will get okay on its own. It's a great time for healing. It's a great time for maybe going in for a counseling session. It's a great time also to be seeking some expert advice. It's a good time to be getting in somebody who could be the voice of reason between both of you. And for those of you who are single, it's a great time to be meeting somebody absolutely wonderful. It would almost be like a karmic tie for some of you. There's going to be intense attraction, both physically as well as mentally, and you would have this sense, that you've met this person before, and there's just going to be an intense desire to share your deepest secrets and your feelings. For those of you, of course, who are in a committed relationship and where things are fine, I would say that the relationship is just going to deepen more. It's just going to get onto another level where a lot of communication is just going to be telepathic. So it would move on to that aspect of it. But like I said, for a critical part of Virgos, and this is more so important for those Virgos whose rising or ascendant is in Virgo as well. Where there have been the relationships have been a little bit challenging. So for them, it's a lovely time for healing. It's a lovely time for reaching out. It's a lovely time for forgiving, and I think very importantly for accepting. The thing with Virgos is that you get so caught up in your own perfect frame that the moment there is little bit of a flaw that does not seem to be fitting into the frame, you get quite disheartened. So this month, make an effort and don't try and assume the worst. We also have Mars that is going to be moving into a very important place in your chart that has to do with your career. It has to do with communication, very effective communication, and you're going to be quite aggressive. You're going to be very vocal. You are going to ensure that people understand exactly what is it that you're trying to say. In other words, you're not going to be mincing your words this month, which is quite unlike a Virgo. Normally you um, tend to be very careful with your words. You're normally not so sharp, barring the nitpicking piece of it, unless and until, of course, you have a very strong ascendant or a rising in your sign. But this month, you are going to be very vocal. You're going to have a lot of clarity in your mind as to what is it exactly that you want things to be, or how is it that you want to be treated, how it is that you want your life to pan ahead of you. And you're going to make it very clear. You're going to, not sort of, not worry as to what the consequences of, not outburst, but really this aggressive communication would entail, which I would say go for it, Virgos. It's been quite some time since you have been sort of been mulling and worrying and trying to figure a way out. And I think at times there is just no the right way. You just need to sort of go ahead and do what you need to do. So go right ahead and Virgos. There's also focus on your health. There's a lot of focus on bones and especially on your knees. So take good care of your health. For those of you who have been watching your diets, ensure that you are going for your long walks, or whether you're doing yoga or you're exercising, but ensure that there is some form of physical movement that is there for you this month, Virgos. I think all that has also been bothering you in the mind has a lot to do with also the physical inactivity aspect of it. You need to somehow just wear your body out a bit while being careful about it at the same time. So overall, a great month for you, Virgos. I'll see you again in September, and thank you so much for watching.